So you ready? What's up? Yeah, let me take it out. Alright, so yeah. Hello everybody. So get ready. Turn on the light please. Okay, let's make it high and today record our class. Okay, let's get ready. What's Please, guys, get ready, get ready. Prepare your book. Don't touch, please. Okay? Oh, already. Yes, I forgot. Yes, thank you. All right. Get ready. All right. Good morning, students. Please get to the room faster. So, what did we study today? What have we studied today? Continuing decimal, right? About what? Today. Last time we studied addition and subtraction and word problems, right? Now? Exactly. I think yesterday, did we look this picture? Not yet? I think we did. So, let's start with a practice at the page 20. Okay? Everybody finished page 20, right? Everybody, right? Ken also finished? Super, wonderful. Let's check that. Let's check it then. Okay? Check this part first. This is page 20, right? Let's check this part first. Did I show you the video I made yesterday with us? No, I think I didn't put it on there. Yeah, it's fun. It was fun. I make it nice. Let me see how I will show it to you. Okay. Please check fast, alright? I think I can show you the video I made yesterday. Yesterday we made the time lapse. Today I'm recording the whole class, so I can see the feedback. Yeah. So don't be too noisy. Be good, alright? Because I can see after all 360 who did what, right? That's so fun. That's so fun. Check faster. Lower. Let's go lower. Yeah. This one finished. Let's go lower. Important in this part, if you don't have it now, you need to have steps, right? Those steps must be present. Well, yes. Accept it for now, okay? Next time wouldn't. Next time it will mistake. Please, if you have space, use this space for calculation, okay? Two things why. First, you can find a mistake and you can practice. If you can do it all in mind, wonderful, wonderful. Yet, first, now we don't need to do it in mind. Yes, first question. Wait, 7 multiplied by 14, you have 1 to remember, 7 multiplied by 8, 3, 66 plus 1. This is plus 1, but you have here too. Yes, plus 1. 6 plus 1, right? 56 plus 1, right? So that's why it will be 7. Yeah, you forgot that one. That's why it's important to write down everything, yeah? That's why we're practicing with writing down. If you multiply, make a mark here, you forgot. Okay, two things, alright? Two things. First, for sure, I will give you grades. So what page it was?
20.
Just 20? Okay. So, alright, today is 8. Let's see the video first? Alright, and then I'll ask you the... What is the problem? We need to download it maybe first. Okay, while it's downloading, it will be fast, I think. Alright, jump, how many mistakes?
No mistake.
No mistake, good. Pino?
No mistake.
Good. You?
No mistake.
David?
No mistake.
Так, wait a second, I don't want to do it again. Jack one.
No mistake.
Complete.
One mistake.
No mistake, sorry. Matthew.
No mistake.
From.
No mistake.
9. Oh, Kum.
No mistake.
9.
No mistake.
P.
No mistake.
Joshua.
No mistake.
Chewing.
One mistake.
Okay, Ken.
Nine mistake.
Again.
Nine mistake. Nine
9
mistake.
mistakes again. I think there's in total 9 exercises. How many there's in total exercises? Wrong. Okay, Ken, you will show me again. I would like you to fix it and then give you points, okay? Just fix it and then give you points, alright? So 1.5. 1.5 is set. Pete, it's okay. No mistake. So I will just mark that you show me. Up.
No mistake.
Why up?
I said it.
Oh. Oscar.
No mistake.
Conca. Conca.
Colgate medicine.
Got it. Right.
4 mistake.
Best. Tono.
1 mistake.
Tonkai.
No mistake.
Pure.
No mistake.
Mental.
No mistake.
Brava.
No mistake.
Kim.
1 mistake.
Lilith. Go together, right? Medicine, okay, I see. Nampak.
Absent.
Okay. And famous.
No mistake.
Alright, I think now we can see the video we made yesterday. Yeah, let's check what you made yesterday and then continue studying, right? Oh, so lucky. You have 4 mistakes. Okay, good. Well, this computer is something, right?
Yesterday's mathematics,
Very short video. Now we have a new angle, right? But this one is not a time lapse, right? This one I will record full class and I'll upload it to YouTube. You can watch it later. So for me, just interesting, right? For you, if you want. Anyway, let's move on. We already did multiplication on the page 20. So now we a little bit multiply decimals by the whole numbers, which are like decades, like tens, hundreds, thousands. All right. Easy and beautiful thing when you multiply by 10, hundreds, and thousands, or when you divide, you just move the decimal place, basically. Right? If you multiply 15.4 by 10, you need to move decimal place on one step. If you put here the dot point 0 or not, if you put point 0 or not, doesn't matter, alright? Because you have 0. If there's something else, that will matter, right? If it's 0, it's not really matter. And you see, if you multiply by 100, you multiply with we have to move it more to the right. Remember, multiplying decimal move to the right, dividing decimal will move to the left. Okay? Only by 10, 100, 1000, because they're easy. We start with easy and then we go to a harder one. Okay? I want we read this one together, please. Page 21. Ready? Steady, everybody. Everybody, let's go read. To multiply. So to multiply by 10, 100,000, we perform multiplication same way as the counting number. So you can't forget about decimals, and it's always a good thing when you multiply. You can forget for a little bit that you're doing with decimals, so they not confuse you. But remember, don't forget completely, right? Forget for a moment, and then remember back, and then you can put the decimal point. On the page 21, there's a little task below. Can you do it now? 2 minutes, please. Let's go. Little task below on the page 21. We can go. Go, go, go. Page 21, let's do it. It's very small. Working in class. Working in class, do now. If you finish, you can already move to page 22, 23 because it's a task, alright? Even if you finish even this, we are going to we have some proposal for sure. Is it change your word from okay? Yeah. So now I will be randomly asking people, right, on this bamboozle while you do page. So today in class we do until page 23. Let's don't be confused. In the class, page 21 to 23. If you feel confident, you can move on. 21 to 23 in class, okay?
Okay.
Yes? You can go at page 23 if you want. If you plan, you can go to page 23 because it'll save that, right? But don't waste your time, don't waste your time. You know, I tell you in advance that you can go forward. Because I know if you don't want to go slow, you can go fast. If you can go fast, you do faster, it's okay. Otherwise, we have bamboozle for those who want to fast. Okay? Great. Great. Some of you already maybe go doing page 23, which is a little bit more difficult, right? And this is the really good hint how you can look at it, because something multiplied by 30 is the same as something multiplied by 3 and 10. Yes, and it doesn't matter what order. You can multiply by 3 first or by 10 first. Doesn't matter. To make it easier, first multiply by 10. Because 10 is always easy. You just practice 2 pages how multiply by 10. After you multiply by 10, you will get 9.6. You can treat it as a 96. I forgot that it's 9.6. treat it as a 96 first, multiply 6, multiply 9, you get 6 multiplied by 3, 28, no 18, sorry, 1, do you remember? 9 multiplied by 3, 27, and you put 1, so you have 8, 28.8. Point you put back, you can calculate. 1, 2, you have 1, 2, you can put point. This is one way. Or you can do it with a point straight away, if the point not confuse you. I think we will finish soon. This one, you have 10 more minutes. Don't waste your time. If you need any help, you're welcome to ask. If there's someone who already finished, we can start about this one. Okay, 1, 2, finish. You need, you boys need some time. You start bamboozle on time. You need something like where you will be doing calculations. Page 24, we don't do now yet. Okay? Well, let's play a little bit bamboozle and then we'll continue with page 24, alright? Which one do you want, you two? Because you first one, Oscar and Jae-Won, which one you choose? You choose? So, okay, Jae-Won, then Oscar, who is also ready? Okay, prepare some paper. Jae-Won, Oscar, prepare some paper. What? And I think 23. I think 23. Okay. Why? It was working. Alright, first one, who? Jae-Won, go. It's your turn. You have around 1 minute. Try to be first. Settings okay, or you want to change something? Distance far, okay. Maybe in this case, let's have less higher zones with this one.
Okay.
10 zones. Okay, and queen medium is nice.
Okay.
Just marks is too much. Okay. You like you get word problems. Sometimes we also have word problems. Look, how many, not actually word problems, read how many places and what direction, so left or right, the decimal move in the following problem. So the problem is 16.82 multiplied by 100. Where it will move, to the left, to the right, and how many steps? It move to the left or right? Left.
Left and two.
I think you a little bit misunderstood. This decimal point will move here, so it will be to the right. Yes? What you mean the number will move to the left from the decimal point, but the question is where the decimal point will move, okay? Alright, now you got it, right? The difference. So yes, two places to the right. You got it? You mean you mean the number goes to the left, but we're talking about decimal points. Anyway, I know the meaning was correct. So hit the point, next time answer correct, okay? Let's go to. Okay, after Oscar is Pete. Oscar, go. After Pete, go. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, prepare something where you calculate if you need. So, Joyce is making lanyards for a convention. She needs to make 1,000 lanyards and knows that one lanyard used 1.75 feet of cord. Yeah, so it's just lengths, okay? She's just making lengths. So to make one lanyard, she needs this amount, right? How much cord will Joyce need? Yes, for convention, she needs to make 1,000 lanyards and know what is one lanyard. Oscar? Yes. Yard. Okay, good. 7. Pete, your turn, right? Pete, let's go. Oh, like you.
Really hard.
Good. 4.5. Just multiply 45 and move it. Good. Yeah, most of them like this actually. You always like special. Power up for sure. I don't have power. Take. Oh, let's go for. Choose another. 4 is wrong. Oh, power up.
5.
6.
I would choose 6. Yeah, because wind is over there. Okay. Cool. Power up because he used power up. Double score. Woo! Okay, cool.
โอ้โหโคตรยาก
Cool, you have this one.
โอ้ยเราได้ผิดอะเราได้คน
The rest who doing until page 23, you have 10-15 minutes to finish. Please hurry up. Finish. Page. Don't waste your time.
50.4.
แล้วสิ่งที่เก็บว่า
50.4. Okay, cool. Hit the ball. After Kun, who is next? Who didn't play yet and finish?
5.
Are you sure 5? Look, the wind goes from here. If you build 5, it will go there. You think, Kun?
7.
7 makes more sense.
โอ้ยเก่งมาก
Alright. Who finished also? First finish. Let's wait a little bit. You already finished it. Are you going to second lap? Second round? Tongjan almost finished. Ron almost finished. Checking here. Ron is checking. Good. Ken is doing well. Yeah. Look, Ken. I'll tell you. Yeah, you see the mistake. Yeah. So if you multiply the decimal point, goes here, and you don't need 0 anymore. Right? If you multiply it by 1,000, decimal point goes how many? 1, 2, 3. Here, 2, 3. Okay? So when you multiply, you move the decimal point. Depending how many zeros has 10,000. So if you divide by 10, you go 1, 2, 3. So you get 500. 1, yeah, 2, 3. Okay? Yes? Famous, let's go then. If you are multiplying a number by a power of 10, that includes an exponent, that what direction the decimal move? Okay, example. Let's go with example easier, right?
คนในท่าน
So we have, if you multiply a number by a power of 10, that includes an exponent. So am I understanding right that we multiply, let's say, decimal by the 10 in the power of 10, for example? Can be like that, right? So where will it move? To the right or to the left?
เป็นซีโร่
The decimal point. Where the decimal point will move?
มันก็คือ910แล้วก็สุดต่อไป10ตัว
Yeah, decimal point will move right. You got it. All right, it's okay.
Teacher, I finished.
Great, you are the famous. Famous, hit the ball.
8.
Hey, let's go, eh? Ooh, we hit it. From, let's go.
โอ้โห
You have multiplications?
Teacher.
Yeah, after Chrome, Tom Jai, after Tom Jai, Tom Clark. Still have 5 more minutes, the rest will finish, faster, faster, faster. We checking in class. Chrome is thinking. Yeah, I would just multiply them like normal numbers and then put decimal point 2 times. Yeah, I would do like this.
59.9.
Okay, let's check. Great, great Chrome, hit the ball. Comply, yeah? Next, Tongka, prepare. Tongjai after. Tongjai then. Prepare. Tongjai.
เข้า
Good. So, Tongjai, let's go.
จ่ายไม่ต่างเลยจากเรา
Also good one. Maybe you can do it mine. Maybe right
โอ้โห
after
ไม่ได้
you.
พาร์ท
Why very hard? It's like 684 multiplied by 4. 2,000. Good. Great. Okay. Tongpa, let's go. Good. After Tongpa is who is after Tongpa? So Navid and you then. Yeah, Tongpa, Navid, you. Navid, you, Michael. P. Save. Almost. Do finish. You have time. Please, Navid, you prepare paper. You just make it fast, right? Get ready. I see almost everybody finished. Good job, students. Continue, please. Okay. After P. P. Oh, too many people already. It's Navid, you, Mike, you, P. Best. Bright, sorry, Bright. Best. Bright. So, Bright and best. And for now we pause because I think after that. Tampla, come on, Tampla. Worry about decimal point? Forgot? Put decimal point. 100. Again, say again.
122.
How come? Look, it's 3 multiplied by 4. Your decimal point is in the wrong place.
13.2495.
This sounds better. 13.6. Oh, you have a mistake. Vice class, where you jump? Mike, you? Oh, sorry, David. Yeah, you tell me. I forgot straight away after I told you. Not too hard, but not too easy. Don't hurry up. Who said? Today I'm going to finish this one later. Okay. Yes? Okay, very good. Yeah, look, why? You need to move it right to the decimal base. Because it's smaller. Okay, after... No, you go. I think... 5? Oh, you don't see the mean maybe. Come on, you. 9, you go. Right, best. Oh, this is nice, dude. This is very nice. So, easy. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. But how many decimal points? So we need to calculate. You think? What it? How many eights? Eights of what? Thousands? Hundreds? 10,000s? So you say it, answer. Bye. Yes, correct. Hit the ball. Take it. 5, 4, 3, 7. Right? Okay, Brad, let's go. Oh, Mike, sorry, Mike. You remember, you should remember. Mike, you P, right, bad, right. I think almost everybody finished. I think we stop on 9 and then we check and then we move to next. Good. Super. Take it. But more points. Yeah, use the writing, it's better. It's like 21 by 61. Yes. Super B. Hit the ball.
ไม่มีขอนาย
That's good, right?
วัน
Go. Right. Sweet. You can say it. Great. Can you finish? Oscar, don't you dare disturb Ken until he finishes. Okay? Again? Word problem. Sue buys materials to make a costume. She buys 1.75 yards of red material. She buys 1.2 times as many yards of blue material. How many yards of blue material? What do you need to do? Okay, you already answering. Say again. Multiply, not divide, multiply. Okay, go. Because times as many, that means multiply. Times as many of something, it means multiply. Finish. Okay. Finish online. Last one. And then I will continue, and you will continue too. So you do more long multiplication here, right? 175. Yeah? 1 0 you mean. Good. Nice. Last one. Let's go. Let's finish it and then check. Let's get ready. After that, we check. How are you? Yeah, good. Just finishing. Okay, good. Back line is waiting. Remember, next class we'll check it together. So now we'll continue multiplying decimals with decimals. Then we'll do word problem, and then we'll check word problem same like we did yesterday. Lots of word problems. Okay? What is it? Good. 34?
24.
I know what you multiply. I think it's the wrong answer. I think your answer is good. You need to multiply what, 7 by 3.45 by 7. I think you're right. Again, say how much you did. 24, right? Good. I think you did. Never mind. 8 for 8? Yeah. Alright, we'll continue later. Last shot. Okay, last shot, everybody answer. Okay, everybody answer, write down the answer down in number 23. It's the last one, okay? Last one. Write down below on the page 23, okay? And then we check. If you are correct, you're correct. If you're wrong, the 5 squats, big jump. So everybody multiply. Yes. Go to the fast. I want to give time. David, relax. Give time for others. Good that you finish. Give some time for others. Try to calculate. This one looks like 8. Yeah. Wonderful. Please, everybody calculate that part. Good to know. Okay, 5. Boy, you answer? Above answer? Answer, right? 6. The 8.8. Again, how you say? 8.8. Like this? You are very close to correct answer, but 6.88. 6.88. Did you write down correct? Famous. Did you write down correct? Alright, 68. So 68 is a mistake. Everybody can make mistake. 5 squats. Who else make mistake? 5 squats. Please. Jump. Please jump. 5 squats. Good jump. Come on. Right. Page 23. Everybody 21, 23. Good? Ken, you finished too? Yes? Only one you didn't finish, right? Almost. I saw. Anyway, let's check. The last one can you do finish later? Yes, quiet, please. Let's go. 21 first. Page 21. Chewing. Speed. Almost page 21. You don't finish, so you don't finish one, just one mistake. Okay? Now I'll ask you how many mistakes, but before I ask you, let's look at the page. Everybody finish? Yeah? Good? 24. No, we read. It's on the test. So look. Now do you what? What do you do? 4.4 is what? 4.4 is what? No, not 4 multiplied by 4. 4.4 on the page 24. 4.4 on the page 24 what? Multiply decimals by decimals. Right. 4.4, this one. Multiplying decimal by decimals, alright? Look, this is an interesting example you can observe. We have two figures which are representing two decimals, right? This figure divided into 10 pieces, and this one divided into the 100 pieces. And you remember, they are like fractions. And by the way, Pete, what is a fraction? Good, alright. And Prom, what is decimal? Part of whole, so you can answer the same actually, yeah? Yes. You can answer the same. It's a part of the whole, just decimals divided by 10, 100, and 1,000. Okay, good. So, this represents 6. And this represents what? After the multiplication. Because when we multiply two decimals, which are smaller than 1, right? We make it in a new dimension, because 10 by 10, 100, right? So we go to a new dimension, bigger dimension, right? more details. That's important to know when you work with decimals. So, yes, you can write 6 over 10 or 3 over 10. It's like as half, right, of the 6. Then if you multiply by the fractions, this is what you get, and then easy to transfer, right? You got 18 over 100. Cool. But can we do this multiplication using decimals, right? Basically, you following the same pattern, you multiply 3 by 6, you got 18. But you have 2 decimals after decimal point. One is here and one is here. So from 18 you move 1, 2, and the right decimal point, and before decimal point you write 0. Okay? So here basically 0.3 and 0.6 you can multiply like 3 multiplied by 6. And then 1 decimal point, 2 decimal point in total, and you move 1, 2 decimal point here, 0 there. Alright. Nice? No question? Let's finish now page 24, 25. Check it all together and no homework. If you finish. If you finish, no homework. If you don't finish, page 24, 25. Finish now, no homework. And while you're doing this, I will ask you how many mistakes you made, okay, in this one. Okay? So now I'll be asking you how many mistakes you made. And this one, 24, 25, finish now, no homework. Let's go. Yeah? Yes? Answer like this. How many number of decimal digits you just say? Okay, look. Example, right? We have this. Let's say. How many?
2 digits.
Answer.
9.
7 multiplied by 9?
0.6.
Good. How many digits? 1, 2. Right? If this one would be 0.9 multiplied by 0.71. What? 5, 6, 9? Why is that 5, 6, 9? 0.39. 6. Are you sure? You just do like this. It's easier to check. Yeah, easy to check. Easy to check. Okay. Now how many decimal points? Digits after decimal. 3 digits. So here would be answer 2 digits. Right? Digits. And then it will be 3 digits. Or you can say 2 decimal. 2 decimal digit, 3 decimal digit, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 decimal digit. Okay? This is how you answer at the page 1, the page 24. How many decimals? You need to answer 2 decimal digits. Did you get it at the page 24? You get it or not? Yeah, how you will answer here? You need to answer 1 decimal, 2 decimal, 3 decimal. Okay? You need to identify how many decimal digits. Okay, I think this one goes to homework because not everybody will be able to finish it, right? So it is what pages 24 to 25? If you finish now, good. Now let me see how many points you get. Jump. Okay. Tina. Like 12? Jill. Tina needs to fix the shopping game. David. Jaquan. Donghua. Michael. Pro.
2 mistakes.
Ton.
1 mistake.
9. T. Just what? Again? Chewing. Cat. Well, okay, also need to show me. Pin. Aqua. Oscar.
No mistake.
Concal. Also need to show me. Break.
No mistake.
Best.
No mistake.
Donon. 14. I don't understand how you make from the check.
No mistake.
Let's check here.
One mistake.
Unfilled. Brava. Also free. Kim.
11 mistake.
Lilin.
6 mistake.
Nampan. Famous.
3 mistake.
Okay, well. Tina, show me what you got. So, Tina and why you got so many mistakes? Can I have a look? This one is very not this one. Let me check. The way you did it's all good, Tina. You just multiply a little bit wrong in the formula. I see Pina. Okay. I can show me what you want. It's okay? Okay. Right, this one's not okay. So you have 0.09. You need to move it 1, 2, 3. So this one goes this way. Yes, 9. Here. You want to move this one point 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 8, 2, 80, 3, 800. 800. Because okay, for maybe example, it will be easier for you. This one equal like 8 plus 100. Yeah, because you need one decimal point over there from 8. Still you have 100. Right? So good. Finish. Finish no homework for you. Finish no homework for you. Okay? Understand? This is important. We just practice it, but you will come back again. So look. This one, we decided this is 7 point, this one we can play 10, but we didn't need the decimal point. Nothing changed. After you multiply this one by 10, you get 43. Not 43, but 43 because you have decimal point for 1. Yeah? And then after you multiply 43, already multiplied by 3, you'll get 1,009. Yeah, so almost. Your calculation is good, but it's important. That's why we studied this with decimal point. So it's okay. The calculations are good, you just didn't get the decimal point. Again, here you have 58.8 multiplied by 1020. You put 10 here, it means decimal point you go here after you multiply, right? So you will get 589. Nothing else. And you multiply it by 20, and you get 11,780. Okay? So I will check those who are messed up with those decimal points. I will check those concur, right? So that's a similar mistake, right? So this one you can do it. Why you didn't do this one? This like this. Like this one. Why you didn't write this one? Right? Students, those who a little bit messed up with the decimal points, I want you to redo and show me again. I don't give you any points. Pino, 广告片. Okay, I don't give you. Oh no, no. I didn't give you any points because the mistake. Why this one? Because why the same after you flash or how you try to say. This one's bad. How many? 1,000. Then you have 5,890 multiplied by 2. Okay. The number store. Go to the little number. Okay. I want you to fix it and show me again. All right. Please. Finish good. Please work on mistakes. Those who don't get points, those who have more than 5 mistakes, I think you need to show me it again. Personally. Okay? Now, thank you. Class is over. Say goodbye to the camera.